told you you were beautiful. Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you.
So I had my first little threesome last night or whatever, y'all.
What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than anything I've probably ever done on my channel. I've done like makeup tutorials, but the way that I'm gonna edit this, so I had my first threesome a little while ago, and I don't feel like I can rehash my initial thoughts after it like I did when I posted it on my close friends on my Finsta. So if you don't already follow the Libra scale, you should definitely follow that. And someday I may open that up, but there's literally like maybe 3-4 people on my close friends on my Finsta. So I was recounting my first threesome, and not just like the act of it and like, you know, what we did and like the juicy stuff, which I may tell at a later point. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want to see that. I don't know if I'll put it on YouTube or not, but let me know if y'all want to hear about that. But I went over how I was feeling because I was feeling away. I didn't really know what I was feeling. So in the voiceover that I'm going to place over this makeup tutorial, it is me going over the thoughts of my first threesome, how I was feeling, my moods, my emotions, what I was going through, what I was thinking, all of that. So it's going to be me just doing my makeup. I'll show the products and I'll probably edit them on the screen so you can know just for your reference. But the voiceover will have nothing to do with makeup. It'll be me recounting my afterthoughts after my first threesome. So if you would like to hear about that and see this full face everyday type of beat that I'm going to do, just keep on watching. Okay, so before I even start playing the voiceover, I don't think I'm going to give you any backstory. I'm just going to let you hear it and vibe, and y'all will chat about it in the comments. Just let me know your thoughts. If you've had one, tell me your experiences. If what you feel like I was feeling was, you know, normal or off or like whatever, just let's chat about it. Let's chat about it. Tell me down in the comments. So now let's get into the tutorial and the story.
So I had my first little threesome last night or whatever, y'all. I don't know how I feel about it though. Like, it was fun, but I don't know how I feel about it. And I'm showing that I don't know. I'm showing I feel a way, but I don't know what way I feel. So, like, confused. She like, what's wrong? I feel the energy shift, and I'm just like, nothing. Because I like, it's something, but I really don't know what it is. And I don't know. It was cool though. She was cool. I don't even know what I want to say about it, y'all. Like, I'm cheesed up, and I, again, don't know why. This is weird. Like a childish ass little kid, how cheesed up I am. Okay, so like, chill out. So she pulled up from Houston. Like, she drove from Houston yesterday. She pulled up, and another one of her friends was here. She pulled up, we smoked or whatever, we was taking a couple shots, and then like it just kept getting later and later. We were supposed to go to some hookah spot, but then I don't know what happened with that. I really wasn't asking too many questions. I was just like there. So then we changed and we were gonna like walk on Bourbon again, but it was like so late. So number one, Bourbon is not even how everybody's like, I'm so disappointed, but I'm like, bruh, COVID, so it's not gonna be how it normally is. So I wasn't even expecting that. But anyway, we went too late, so it was like super dead. Her friend from college and the friend that she brought, they ended up leaving when we got to Bourbon. So then it was just me, I'm gonna call her Houston, and her friend that she brought. We were just walking Bourbon. We got some grenades, they got some food. We was just sitting, walking, talking. Me and vlogging, talking outside. I need to watch that back because what the fuck we were even talking about. I was drunk because I'm like, let me just, because I don't know what I don't know what I'm about to feel. So if I just like tone it down from jump, wherever I go will be lighter than where it would go if I was sober. So I said, let me just, you know, just cool out. So I was feeling my little shit, you know, I'm just big chilling, okay? Big chilling. So we get back and we're sitting around toking, smoking and talking. Toking. So we're sitting, smoking and talking for a little bit, and then she goes to get in the shower. Then I just get in something more comfortable, which happened to be this like little sheer lingerie set that I just got. You almost fucked shit, because like this is something that you want to do, something that we discussed that we wanted to do or whatever, but I'm expecting you to orchestrate the shit because this is really what you want to do. So her ass gets too drunk and too high, but then be mad at me when I be trying to be like, slow down, you're babysitting me. So she faded. Now I said, I need you to sober up. You're not even in a space to like lead no shit, to make no shit jump off, pop off, none of that. So I was getting a little irritated when we were still on bourbon. She's like, baby, what you need me to do? I said, I need you to sober up. Back to the story. I didn't change. She's still in the shower. So like while she's taking a shower, whatever comes over me. So I basically get a lap dance or whatever. She's Houston still doing her thing. So a little while after, she comes out and she has on her robe and whatnot. And then again, we're just sitting and talking and basically like comparing notes. And I think this is why I feel whatever I feel, because we were talking and like they've known each other for a minute. What I'm really realizing, like they've been around since like, it could be earlier than this, but at least 2017. So that's some years in this bitch. So they like, and I've never dealt with this before. So I'm trying to see how I feel. So I think that's why I feel the way. I might be a little jealous. I might be jealous, y'all. Is that what I'm feeling? Because I feel I really do have an attitude with her, but I don't know why. I've been so dry today. Brad mode. And I think that's what I'm feeling, y'all. That's crazy. And I'm so open head ass. Do what you want. I think it's more of an out of sight, out of mind thing. But I wasn't, and this is the other thing, I wasn't jealous about the sex. That's not what I'm jealous about. Like, that was fun, that was cool. It was when we were talking, it's like, I don't feel unique in our relationship anymore. It's like, she know everything that I know. She knows you as well as I know, but then I have to also look at, they've been knowing each other for some years. So maybe that's a compliment to me. I feel like I know her as well as she knows. I feel like I made her comfortable enough to show me herself in a shorter amount of time. So maybe that's why I don't know, I'm trying to gas myself up about it or whatever. I be in my head, y'all. So I think I might be a little jealous. I think that's what I'm feeling. And it's just because I don't feel like, because I had already seen a video of them, and like I did that. I wanted to see it to see how I felt. I'm like, is there anything, again, special or unique about what she and I do in the bed versus what she and someone else does in the bed? And I was like, I saw it. And I told her this recently too. I was like, I don't feel special in that. I was like, but I get it. The shit is fire. So like, when I'm hearing what's happening, I'm watching the shit go down, I'm like, I feel you, sis. I can't even be mad. So yeah, the same way I felt about the video, which I got over, because that's how we even got to this point, is basically what I feel now after having a conversation about her with Houston. And it's like, again, there's nothing unique. She knows everything I know. Y'all interact the way we interact. It looks the same. So like, yeah, love her, but yeah, I think I'm jealous. That's crazy. So to the next point of that then is how, if I was able to move past the sex part, can I move past this part? Because like, I know she loves me and I love her, and because what it may look the same, more than likely it doesn't feel the same. And of course, if I was to have this conversation with her, she would most likely say that it does not feel the same. That's what she said about the sex. She's like, can you see now that it is special? And I said, no, I can't see it. But if you're telling me, I'm going to believe in you because I trust you, that you're telling me that it's different and it's not the same, I'm going to believe you when you say that because I trust you. So it is what it is. So I'm gonna have to get over that, because I do. Hell, that's another big thing. A bitch is trusting a bitch. we're not gonna talk about it today because I've done enough talking, but trusting again. I had a nigga be with me for a whole year and cheat on me for 7 months of it. For what? Why would you do that? Like, just leave. It was never that deep, and there were plenty opportunities to leave. I do that, and they wanted to stay. Like, but you decided to stay when you were cheating. What type of misery? So yeah, like trusting. And I just said we weren't gonna talk about it, but here I am talking about it. Trusting. Just call it wow. Wow. So that's probably the biggest thing of this whole ordeal. I'm trusting him. And I like, and she hasn't broken it. So it's like, get over it, damn. Like, we're just really compatible. So like, you have to really look at things. And that's why I say take your time. Take your time with people. People be so ready to just like do whatever with whoever because it feels good right then. Like, calm down and dissect your shit. And see if you really want to do these things and feel these ways about them. Okay? Just, everybody chill. So yeah. I think I'm gonna work on getting the over it. But yeah, that was my first threesome, and that's what I'm thinking about. I'm not even thinking about the sex. It was fire though. I have a lot to say, and I guess I should. I haven't talked all day. I've been asleep. These motherfuckers out, y'all. I've been asleep all day. I just got up at like 4, maybe 3. I got up at like 3. I was out the whole day. I ain't gonna cap, Miss Lady. Miss Lady. Okay, so yeah, I think when I get over this that jealousy part, we might have to run that back, and I'll have to do better. Cause not to say, I just want to make sure that everybody, and I was so out of it, y'all. I'm so like, when I say I KO'd, they made me KO. Like dead. I didn't get up till 3 today, y'all. I didn't get up till 3. Oh my god, it was a lot of them on me. So maybe that's why I'm so tired. Like, I did a little bit, or I was able to do a little bit, because when I say I feel like I was really that bitch in this bitch. Like, I was just do whatever. So yeah, but next time I want to make sure that I have more action from my role. So yeah, once I get over that jealousy part, I gotta talk to. I'm so glad I did this. I had to decompress because, ooh, okay, I could probably have this conversation with her now and let her know what was really on my mind. Because when I say, y'all, I've been so mean today. Not even mean, just hella dry. But yeah, it was fun, y'all. I'd recommend. I'd recommend. And here is our face. I did a little bit more than every day because I'm about to film. So I'm like, let me get my little something. So this is our face. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. Again, all of the items will be posted on the screen as I use them. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys enjoyed the story. Tell me your thoughts down below. We need to chat about it. We need to talk about it. Let me know. And yeah, guys, I appreciate you all so much for coming back to another one of my videos, coming back to my channel. If you have not already, you definitely need to hit that subscribe button so you're always notified when I have a brand new upload. Go ahead and hit that bell, hit all videos so you get that notification. Be part of the Tan Bandits so you're the first ones to watch my videos and always know what's going on with your girl. So again, thank you guys so much for tuning into a video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Stay true.